Former soap star Mark Consuelos has been the official co-host of Live with Kelly since 2023. He had previously stepped in as guest co-host many times over the years. But when Ryan Seacrest exited the show, ABC knew they needed someone who naturally clicked with Kelly Ripa. Who better to fill the role than her real-life husband? Kelly and Mark married in 1996 and have decades of shared stories to keep viewers entertained. In one recent moment, Mark Consuelos surprised fans by revealing how he handled an overly curious retail employee. Keep reading to see what happened. Mark Consuelos encourages Kelly Ripa to leave the show. Kelly Ripa has been a daytime talk show staple since 2001. She joined Live as co-host after Kathie Lee Gifford stepped away. Kelly co-hosted alongside Regis Philbin until his retirement and then served as the show's lead host. Once her husband joined, the program officially rebranded as Live with Kelly and Mark. Daytime viewers have known Kelly long before her talk show era. She starred on the iconic soap opera All My Children from 1990 to 2002. That's where she met her future husband when he joined the cast in 1995. But did she miss an entirely different calling? The couple recently joked on air about whether Kelly should make a drastic career shift, something Mark fully supported. The conversation began when Mark mentioned attending Good Night and Good Luck on Broadway, while Kelly stayed home glued to court TV. According to Mark, his wife is a devoted true crime enthusiast. She was watching the Karen Reid trial and refused to miss a moment. He teased her, asking what she planned to do when the trial wrapped. "I'm just going to dive into the next case they stream," she joked. Mark then suggested, half serious, half playful, that she should go to law school since she seems so passionate about legal proceedings. Kelly admitted she has always felt drawn to law, saying, "I really did miss my calling as a judge, jury, and attorney." Still, despite his encouragement to ditch the show and pursue a degree, she ultimately passed on the idea. "Do I want to be the world's oldest law student? I don't know," she laughed. Audience stunned by his reply to a nosy retail worker. Fans would definitely miss the fun banter between Kelly and her husband if she ever left. In another episode, the pair shared details about a recent shopping trip in Vancouver, Canada. Kelly voiced her dislike for a new retail greeting trend where employees say, "Welcome in," instead of simply hello. Mark, meanwhile, had a different experience that caught viewers off guard. He said he went into an Apple store to buy a new phone. While ringing up the purchase, the worker casually asked what Mark had planned for the rest of the day. His sarcastic reply, "I'm robbing a bank. That's what this phone is for. I'm robbing a bank later, but don't tell anyone." He then added that he didn't care for the question in the first place. None of your business. A long career before daytime hosting. Before Mark Consuelos ever joined Kelly on the live stage, he was already well known to soap opera fans. Born in Zaragoza, Spain, in 1971 to Mexican parents, he moved to the U.S. as a toddler and grew up in Belmont, California. He later attended the University of Notre Dame, where he played linebacker for the Fighting Irish and studied marketing. Early signs of his confidence and charisma in the spotlight. In 1995, everything changed when he auditioned for the role of Mateo Santos on ABC's All My Children. The role became a perfect fit. Audiences adored his passionate, romantic character, earning him multiple Daytime Emmy nominations. It was also on the set of Pine Valley that he met Kelly Ripa, his on-screen love interest, and soon his off-screen partner. When he left the soap in 2002, Mark expanded his career with primetime guest roles and film appearances. Still, his biggest destiny in television would come years later, not in front of dramatic soap scenery, but behind a co-host desk. Kelly Ripa's career began in 1990, when she landed the role of Haley Vaughn on All My Children. Her personality and natural comedic timing quickly made her a fan favorite, leading to Daytime Emmy recognition. When Kathie Lee Gifford left Live with Regis and Kathie Lee in 2000, Kelly auditioned and won over audiences nationwide. Her chemistry with Regis Philbin was instant, a perfect blend of youthful wit and legendary showmanship. Over the next 8 years, Live with Regis and Kelly became a dominant force in daytime television.